Hey guys, we're Team 5 from Section 2.
We're so thankful to Hannah from Sweet Birch Herbals for this opportunity. Hi, my name is Casey and I'm a sophomore here at UMass Amherst.
Hi, I'm Darwin. I'm a sophomore here at UMass.
Hi, I'm Elise. I'm a freshman here.
Hey guys, my name is Michael. I'm a junior.
Hi, my name is David Buell. I'm a sophomore at UMass Amherst.
Did you know that recently the World Health Organization estimated that 80% of people worldwide rely on herbal medicines for some part of their primary health care? That means that out of every 5 people, 4 of them utilize herbal medicines. Sweet Birch Herbals is a business created and run by Hannah Jacobson-Hardy in Ashfield, Massachusetts. Hannah is a UMass alumnus and works as a holistic health coach and community herbalist, providing Western Massachusetts with the finest plant-based medicines grown and crafted right in her garden. Hannah founded Sweet Birch in 2014 after studying sustainable agriculture at UMass for 7 years. During this time, she fell sick and her friends studying to be a clinical herbalist treated her with teas and tinctures. Hannah recovered and was fascinated by natural healing remedies from that point forward. She offers herbal medicine products and workshops and creates custom blended formulas for a variety of customers. It is critical to mention that at Sweet Birch Herbals, gratitude and acknowledgement of the land and who came before are most important. On her website, she states, "My home is on stolen land from the indigenous peoples, and I apologize for any suffering, racism, genocide, and harmful actions taking place here." Hannah grows over 100 varieties of medicinal and culinary herbs without the use of pesticides or chemical fertilizers. Sustainability comes first in Hannah's work. Our team drove out to Hannah's farm in Ashfield, Massachusetts on a cold, rainy Sunday afternoon. We helped Hannah prepare her garden for a new planting season by digging out old weeds and dead plants, as well as trimming some overgrowth. Some of these plants included lemon balm, tobacco, thyme, chamomile, basil, lavender, mint, and more. We also got to see the products she offers, which include skincare, tinctures, ghee, and teas. We chose to work with Hannah as holistic approaches to medicine intrigue us, and we wanted to help out a sustainable woman-owned business. We learned about many different herbs and how they can treat afflictions. For example, chamomile and lavender help sleep and provide calming effects, and mint and cinnamon aid digestion.
We define civic engagement as the individual and collective action by which community members cultivate change in their society. This is made possible through efforts like meeting with local committees, protesting, and gaining knowledge needed to spread awareness about local and global issues.
Environmental leadership is very important to us in promoting environmental sustainability and protecting the natural land. It is necessary to minimize the impact one has when working on the land to have a thriving environment in the future. On Hannah's website, it states, all of her plant medicines are sustainably wildcrafted and cultivated to ensure abundance for future generations.
Through our experience volunteering with Hannah, we learned the many values of what civic engagement offers both to us as participants and other members of our community. Reflecting on our volunteering opportunity, we felt it was an excellent experience. Most of us did not have much prior knowledge about the work that goes into making holistic medicines. Hannah was a welcoming and patient teacher, providing us with gardening tools to get the weeding done most effectively. We were grateful to be met with her eager answers to our questions about the subject and to see how well our efforts came together working as a group. We want to thank Hannah Jacobson-Hardy for hosting us and for our instructor, Lena Fletcher, for making this project possible.